Hi team, and welcome to another Personal Finance Passport video. I'm James, and let's get started with today's topic, which is how you can make money online for free, no strings attached. So this is a really easy way to earn money that doesn't feel like a scam. You don't have to fill out surveys, you don't have to sell your email address or sell your time for 30 cents, 50 cents, spend hours just to earn $1. In fact, this way you can actually learn money all at the same time, all online through your computer. So through this video, I'll actually go through the whole process and show you how easy it is, and I'll have a link so you can do it yourself. So the way I'm doing it today is through both Coinbase and Brave Rewards. Do you know what Brave Rewards is? We'll get into that in a minute. So through this video, I'll actually go through the whole process and show you how easy it is, and I'll have a link so you can do it yourself. So you can earn up to $65 through Coinbase Earn, which teaches you about different cryptocurrencies and things that Coinbase offers. So currently they have videos and quizzes on 0x, Zcash, Basic Attention Token, and Stellar, that you can earn all of those different tokens for free just for completing these few videos. And then you can use the Brave browser and you can actually earn money while you surf the net, and it has unlimited potential, but we'll get into that later. The cool thing about this is if you're just interested in cryptocurrency, you can get these, small amounts, $10 of the Basic Attention Token, and you could either sell it immediately for money, or you could hold on to it, and who knows, maybe it'll be worth a lot more in the future. If any of you followed the crypto space in 2017, some of these tokens went up 10 times more, and it could just be a little bit of fun, a little bit of experimentation, but give it a go. You're free to do with your money what you like. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of an overview about my favorite one from Coinbase Earn, which is the Basic Attention Token. So they actually have a browser that's actually made by Brendan Eich, who happens to be the creator of JavaScript, which I'm sure you've heard of it before, but it powers a lot of the internet and helps create content to be dynamic and brought the web to where it is today. So he created Brave browser as a way to solve problems that he saw with the net. So he sees that the internet is filled with ads and it's slow and you have no privacy. So he's built Brave to be privacy focused and also to reduce the reliance on ads. So the cool thing about Brave is it's actually based off Google Chrome. So it's open source, built on Chromium, and so that means you can import all your bookmarks, logins, everything from Chrome, and all your extensions, like if you're using password managers or any sort of other extension, will just work fine in Brave. And if you like to as well, you can opt into what they call Brave Rewards, which they will show you ads. If you want to, you don't have to see ads if you don't want to, but they will show you ads that you can get paid to see. So instead of a large company paying Google or Facebook to display you ads, you receive that cut. They claim you can earn up to $30 a month just by watching these ads, and if you're not interested, you can just simply turn it off. Because one of the cool things with the built-in ad block is that your browser doesn't spend time downloading or processing the ads. So you save on bandwidth and you save on screen real estate. And especially if you're on a mobile device, that can have a really big impact. So it really mean a lot to me if you could download the Brave browser using my link. If you use it, I get a small commission from Brave, to be fully transparent, but it encourages me to make more videos like this and to help grow the Brave community. One of the other cool things with Brave Rewards, if you're someone that likes to support your creators, like through a Patreon or something like that, is if you opt in, you can set a limit on how much money you want to spend per month, and it will actually take that money, let's say $10 a month, and you can select the websites or YouTube or Twitch creators that you like to support, and depending on how much time you spend on each website, it will distribute them and make donations based on that. So let's go and sign up on Coinbase Earn. So let's use the link that's on the screen displayed here or in the description down below. Okay, so let's enter in our details here and click Get Started. So I'm just going to hide this information from you guys for privacy reasons, but let's get started. And I agree to terms and conditions. Let's go. Cool. So now I have an account. Just need to verify my email. Cool. So I got my email here, and then all I need to do is to open that link in the browser. Your email has now been verified. Please sign in. Cool. So let's sign in. Cool, so let's enter the code that they sent us. Okay, cool, so we don't actually have to add a credit or debit card for now, so let's go see here. So if I wanted to, I can actually go through and buy Bitcoin, buy crypto, whatever you like. If you sign up using my link, you can actually get $10 free credit when you spend 100 US dollars. But you'll see down here, there's earn $50 of Stellar Lumens. So we can click earn 50. So let's get started. Let's actually start with Brave. I'll show you Brave for now because that's the coolest one. So you can see here, earn the Basic Attention Token. So as you can see, I've actually already earned $1, earned $1, earned $1. And then for downloading the browser using my link, earn $7. So to show you what it is, it's just clicking on the first video, and it's just 1:21.
Brave is on a mission to fix what it believes is a broken web.
And then you get asked a simple question. If you would like to learn, you can watch it. It's a minute. It's very easy. And then the question just take you 1 minute. So let's see. And then I can go to the next video. 1:30. One question. The questions are very straightforward. If you watch the video, you have no problems whatsoever. And if you don't want to watch the video, you can also probably just guess the answer. Very straightforward. So there we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just downloading the Brave browser. So then if we use my link in my description down below, or that's on the screen now, which is brave.com/per586, we go visit that. Support me with Brave. So it's easy to support. Get the new Brave browser try and we'll contribute on your behalf. And you can see the Brave browser. So you can see all their marketing things about it being faster, blocking, and getting rewarded. So let's go and click download Brave. So then you can simply see, and then step by step, we can just go through and install everything. Cool, and then so now we have Brave installed and it's simply imported. You can see all my contacts are imported here, and this is actually because I have been using Brave for a while. You can see that I've blocked all these trackers, 30,000 ads almost, and also upgraded my to HTTPS, and it saved me 38 minutes of just loading pages based on these stats, which is quite incredible. I've been using this for a few months now to get that sort of number, but that's great. And you can also see now we have this Brave Rewards section here, which if I go to reward settings, this is how you can turn it on. So the Brave ads is not actually available in Singapore for now. If you're in North America or Europe, you can have access to that. So that's when you can make sure you turn this on and you can opt into the ads for doing it. If you would like to donate to people, you can turn on this auto contribute here. You can set how much, like if I want to donate $10 a month basically, I can then select so sites will appear as you browse. So you can also see here to support publishers and content creators, you can set up, as I was talking about, the automatic payments based on websites, based on creators, YouTube, Twitch, whatever. And also Patreon style, you can actually, when you're using Brave, if the website you're browsing supports Brave, you can actually donate in line like a Patreon sort of link. So for example, if I go to my YouTube channel here, firstly, you'll see the Brave Rewards. You can see that it's blocked a bunch of ads and a bunch of trackers on this page, which is great. And with Brave Rewards as well, you can see that, hey, this person's verified on Brave. You can opt into the auto contribution, or you can click send a tip. And if I want to, I can then tip that. So it's great for supporting creators. I'm not asking for donations in this. I'm just showing you what it's like. So once you've done that, you can go back to Coinbase Earn, go to the Start Using Brave browser, and you'll be all good to go. So thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope that you get something out of it. Sign up for Brave, I would totally recommend it. So as I said, those links are affiliate links for me, so I do get a small commission from you signing up, which I really appreciate if you do it. But if you have friends, you can encourage them, send them your link, and then you also can get paid. I hope you can go and sign up for Coinbase, sign up for Brave, and get to play with it. Even if you don't want it to earn money, using the Brave browser is great. I used it myself. I've convinced my boss, all my colleagues, my friends to use it, and not as an affiliate, just as a great product. I would totally recommend using it for yourself. I'm a web developer by trade and I love it. It's fast, it's secure, and I can earn money from it. So it's great. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And feel free to follow me on Instagram, also at PersonalFinancePassport, and I'll love to have your feedback there too. Like this video if you enjoyed it, so please subscribe. This is my first real video on this channel, so all your support and feedback is greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.